Have you added multiple Gmail, Yahoo, or iCloud accounts to the Mail app on your Mac? If they all have the same name, it can be difficult to tell which mailbox is which. Here's how to rename them. Go to the Apple menu in the top left corner and click System Settings. Scroll down the left sidebar and select Internet Accounts. You'll see your email accounts listed here. Click the account you want to rename. Click Details, then change the description to a name that helps you identify the account. For example, I'll rename this one Gmail Personal. Click OK to save the changes. For the second account, I'll rename it Gmail Developer. Save the changes and you're all set. Now, close the Mail app and reopen it. You'll see the updated account names in the Mailboxes section, making it much easier to find the right inbox. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.